came and it's almost gone with soon the beginning of June. These past few weeks, I took some days off to spend them with my loved ones and also focus on my content creation and health. For those of you who are new, I am Andra. I am an app designer and part-time artist. In this video, I want to take you with me and just spend life, I might say. We will go to the gym, talk about books, paint, cook, and go out. I finally finished my latest painting that I will reveal later in the video. What I realized is how easy we can let the hassles of work and life disturb us and ignore the good parts. So I decided to try and implement healthy habits whenever I get time, and this month I had many days off, including the Easter holiday. And by that I mean homemade meals, going to the gym, or taking strolls in nature, spending the days with my loved ones, just to try to savor my life better. Hi guys! Sorry I didn't film in a while. I know it's been about 2 weeks since my last video. I have been really busy with work, but now I have a few days off because it's still the Easter break, so I decided to film something. I have been going to the gym because I did take a break from that too. I have just come home from my workout. I took a shower, I ate, and I did my makeup. Up to much lately. I have been working on my projects, which I will do some videos next on UI UX design. And about my painting, I'm still working on the same piece, but I did make some progress. I'll insert some videos here. And I want to paint in this video too, so that you can see some more of my process. Lately I have taken on reading because these past years I was not on my reading game, and I used to read a lot when I was younger. So I decided to structure my schedule better and just fit some reading time here and there. And I have 3 books that I'm currently reading, and also that I want to read this next month, and I want to share them with you. So these are the 3 books that I'm talking about. The first one is Factfulness by Hans Rosling. He was a public health professor in Sweden, and in the book he tackles many important societal issues, especially in healthcare, and also emphasizes the fact that we are extremely biased about the world around us, and many things have actually gotten better and keep on getting better, but I can't say that I agree with everything he says in the book. For example, he said something about activists exaggerating some things, telling the world that everything keeps on getting worse and that they should also focus on the progress that has been made. And I don't agree with this, because if they kept on talking about the progress, we wouldn't be where we are right now, and also the world would not keep on getting better, because they need to talk about the problems that we have and how to tackle them. Okay, the next one is Atomic Habits. This was actually recommended to me by my boyfriend. He read it and he said it's really good, and I've also seen it a lot online and different people recommending it. Since I study psychology, I do know something about how to keep healthy habits and implement them. I'm really curious if it follows the psychological principles that I learned. The next one is How Will You Measure Your Life. This was also recommended to me by my boyfriend, and it's about finding fulfillment using lessons from some of the world's greatest businesses. And I have seen that it tackles issues like, how can I be sure that I find satisfaction in my career, something that I'll definitely need. How can I be sure that my personal relationships become enduring sources of happiness? How can I avoid compromising my integrity? So I don't have many things scheduled for today, because since it's my day off, I did not want to overcrowd my paint a bit, because since I was not home, I could not paint. And I also want to finish that painting and start posting it more. and also want to start new paintings because since the weather has been better, I have been out more, take lots of pictures, and I have found inspiration and I want to start drawing and painting. Please don't judge me, but this is how my desk currently looks. Yeah, and I will go and paint in the kitchen because the light is also nice. So, see you then.